Today, we inaugurate the first of these inspiration rooms. This inspiration room is dedicated to the UN Sustainable Goal of Zero Hunger. And in front of this very beautiful picture, which was painted by a young Swiss artist, it becomes evident that we have to feed the world with sufficient food. And we are convinced that underground green farming can contribute to the food production of the world. You don't use any more surface on the land above ground. And additionally, the excavated rock, if we do that underground, can be sold as sand or gravel, which means that we get the underground green farming space for free. And underground space underneath city is huge. So we have a huge potential to produce food in an area close to the customers, so to say, underneath their feet. When we now enter this inspiration room, it is clear that underground has been used also in the past for food production. One example we all know is the storage of cheese, because the cold temperature and the high humidity is very favorable for the maturity of cheese. Another thing which has been used underground for is the production of mushrooms, because they don't need any sunlight. Mushroom production is these days a technology which is widespread. But the Scout Consortium, a conglomerate of several companies, they wanted to go beyond that, beyond cheese storage and mushroom production. They wanted to show that it is possible to produce in an aquaponic circle fish and vegetable underground. Aquaponic circle means that you use the water of the fish breeding, the wastewater, so to say, for irrigation purposes of the vegetables. And for that purpose, to demonstrate this, the Scout Consortium built a prototype, which you can see here in the rear of that cavern. You see the two pools for the fish, you see the pumps and the filters, and behind that white wall, there is the vegetable production. The parameters, the knowledge is now available to show that it's feasible to produce vegetable and fish underground. With such ideas, we want to inspire the people, the population, of what we are aiming at. But on the other side, we also would like to be inspired by the visitors. And for that purpose, we give the opportunity to the visitors that on the way out, they have the possibility to fill out some paper slips, to write their visions and ideas on these slips, and to hang them to the tree